Maya, why are we just sitting? Nothing is happening.
That's the point. Are we meditating again?
No, we're just being.
I don't get it.
Silence lets you notice small things.
Oh, that's kind of pretty. I can hear music, but nobody's playing.
Nature plays softly.
My heart feels slower. Silence can hold you.
It feels warm and safe.
Yes, silence isn't empty. It's full.
Maya, I think I understand now. Good. Good.
Silence feels like love. And you learned it beautifully.